Alright, so this is what's inside my drawer. Right here I have a solder paste. This is made by a company called Mechanic from China. Another solder paste made from China. This is a thin wire to connect a small components on the board. This is also made in China. This one right here clearly said made in China. When you called me the first time earlier and then you mentioned about Tariff, I'm working on the computer, right? I didn't see anything. And then I looked that up. I was like, wow, I'm shocked. It's like, it is not good for everyday American. It's gonna impact a lot of everyday American to pay more, not just for electronics and computer, laptops, and technology, but it's also affecting their daily needs like food. My thought on this new recent tariff that the President Trump imposed, it's gonna hurt the consumer really bad. Because I charge flat fee for my service, but the customer have to pay the cost for the part. And because the tariff increase, of course, the cost of the part is gonna be increasing, right? So the customer have to pay more to get their computer or cell phone fixed because the cost of the part is increasing. Yes, we can create more jobs in America, but how many jobs you can create compared to how many people are gonna pay more to get what they need, to get their computer or cell phone fixed, to get a new computer, to get a cell phone, they gotta pay extra. So I don't think that's a good idea in my opinion, but I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. I hope for the best, but for now, it doesn't look good and it's hurting the customer, you know, blemish, because they serialize the screen with the what else from China? This one right here also